Today, let's make art inspired by the artist Henri Matisse. Henri Matisse was always fascinated by colors. He spent many years painting with a paintbrush, but as he got older, he tried a new kind of art, the paper cutout. He took brightly painted papers, cut them into shapes, and arranged them in designs. Matisse called this painting with scissors. This is his Beasts of the Sea. Can you spot the beasts? This looks like a fish. How do we figure out what shapes to make? Well, Matisse got his ideas from all over the place, and so can you. Try looking to see what's around you right now. It could be leaves, windows, or even animals. What shapes do you see? What shapes can you make? Now it's your turn to make a cutout collage. To get started, let's take a look at the materials we'll be using for today's Art Tales activity. You'll need scissors, a sheet of white paper, construction paper, and a glue stick. Now, let's cut out the rest of our shapes. First, let's start with some big organic shapes to make the background. Let your scissors cut freely just like Matisse did. How can you paint with scissors? I still need more inspiration. How about my Chinese money plant, since it has such interesting leaves? This is just inspiration. Remember, it doesn't need to look like the original. Use your imagination. Let me cut out a few more shapes in different sizes. I've got a lot of simpler shapes, so to finish, I'm going to create a funkier shape in black to give contrast. Now that we have all of our shapes cut out, we can start making the collage. You can put yours together any way you want. I'm going to start by gluing down the big shapes to create the background, and then we can have some fun with the smaller shapes. I'm not putting the background down in any particular order, more what I think looks nice. Now I'm really just picking out the next shape and gluing it wherever I want. Do you see my collage starting to take shape? Make sure to take a step back while you're doing this and see what could be missing. Let your scissors draw and experiment with different shapes and colors until your artwork feels finished. How did the shapes you cut out fit together when you were done? And how did Henri Matisse inspire your work today? More art tales can be found in the education section of our website at www.nga.gov. There you can find more fun art making and art looking activities inspired by Matisse and other artists. Hope to see you again next time!